Can't find your archived text messages on Android? In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest way to locate hidden conversations inside the Google Messages app and bring them back to your inbox easily. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the Google Messages app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version because older versions may hide certain features or menus. After updating, launch the Messages app on your Android device. On the main screen, you'll see all your regular conversations listed there. Sometimes chats are accidentally archived when swiping left or right on a conversation. To access those hidden messages, tap on the profile picture or account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several settings and options. Now select the archived option. Once you tap it, all archived conversations will appear instantly. Here you can read, manage, or restore any message thread you want. If you want to move a conversation back to the main inbox, press and hold the chat, then tap the unarchive icon from the top menu. So that's the easiest method to access archived chats in Google Messages. If you found this guide useful, make sure to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.